Alright, so this is Acura MDX. It's got an exhaust leak from the resonator to the flex pipe, so we're going to replace. So let's do it. Alright, here's our exhaust. So pretty much we're going to unbolt these nuts here, and also we're going to unbolt these nuts over here. And there's your flex pipe. There's where the leak is. As you can see, there is no more screen. And this one, the resonator. The one that's making a noise because there's already a leak on the joint there. And there's already a temporary seal there. But anyway, we're going to replace it. So now it's gonna be all new pipe. So yeah, let's do it. So first thing you're gonna do, you gotta remove the exhaust, right? So first we're gonna remove the shield. You're gonna get yourself a 10mm socket and adjustable or anything. Maybe actually it's a 12mm, and I believe it's 10mm on the bolt here, or adjustable to remove it. So now the bolt here on the front of the engine is really rusty, so you gotta put some lubrication in it, or penetration oil. Help a little bit. And then the other side here is completely chewed up by the rust. It's still there, but I'm not even sure if you could get it out with the socket anymore. Well, we can try. Basically, you get remove it. You're able to remove, but look at the flange, because it's so rusty. The bolt just pop out like that. See? So it's actually a catalytic converter. So I thought it was a resonator. It's actually a catalytic converter. So yeah, it's right here now. So we're gonna need to take is the rubber hanger. So we'll see. Remove the hanger. You just need a pry bar. Just pry it like that. There you go. Hanger is off. So now we still have to get this thing out of here, because also this one is rusty. After all the struggles, so you can see, bolt is gone here, especially this side here. Oh my god, they're not easy to take out. So now we have to remove the bolts here from the subframe, here all the way across, because it's on our way to remove the exhaust. So we have to remove this bracket here. Alright, so this is what it should look like. The bracket is gone, so we have all access from the bottom. So let's move this down. So here's the exhaust, right? So catalytic looks okay. Even here, catalytic looks okay. So now there's the new versus old. Okay, so here's the problem. Be aware with these aftermarket exhausts, they don't fit right, because this side here is in, but when it comes to here, it's too far out. Right, there's no actually movement. And now if, let's say, if I'm able to put this in partially, and it's not even straight, see, it's hitting there. So careful with these aftermarket ones, because they usually don't fit right. So here's the problem with the aftermarket. You can see the difference. So this is the original, obviously, but look at the bending of the exhaust. So there's the bank one, right? And look at the curvature of the pipe. Is really curved that way, going that way, right? And the bank 2 was going this way. So as you can see, the airflow, there is no disturbance or turbulence because they were going the same direction. But the aftermarket, so the exhaust come in here, over here, and it's blocking, right? It's blocking the exhaust for the bank 1, the bank 2. It's coming this way. So you see the flow, and it's got disturbance here. There's the exhaust is collision in here, collide in here. There's another problem here. It's not fit right. It's really off. No matter what you do. So I got the thing there in, but now here's the other problem. Okay, so it's finally done, right? So the exhaust is in and everything. Okay, so everything is in place after all the struggle. Okay, so I'll just have to put the crossbar here, and that should be it. Put the oil in, and that's it. Alright, it's finally done. So everything is back. Right. Alright, thank you for watching.